Interesting table. Again, as usual, based on very famous ideas in the Torah, like we know quite well, the Talmud, Tractate Sabbath, bring us that in Israel desecrated the Sabbath. The Amalekites came to attack them, to fight with them. Desecration of the Sabbath brings the enemies Amalek against Israel. So the opposite, we have lots of places in the Talmud, also in the Kabbalah, the Sabbath, keeping Sabbath, keeping the Jewish people. In fact, it is very famous saying of the secular Zionists, Echad Ha'am, who said more than Israel kept the Shabbat kept them. So keeping the law of Shabbat, keep Israel, and this marriage enters the land, apparently, settling the land. So this is the basis of what our rabbis tell us. So we looked, there is such a meeting in the Torah, which tell us the Shabbat, the Sabbath, Tasil will save at Israel. This is the only way to meet good meeting, because in a long sentence like this you will never be able to find. So it's very interesting. But what is important, the location, if there's some connection about it, to Shabbos, to faith, whatever it is. Amazingly, you have here the very famous law on the sabbatical, which says, Vashana Shvi'it, on the 7th year, then this is Shabbat Shabbaton, this is Sabbath, Shabbaton, Shabbat LaHashem, Sabbath to God. Now it's very famous, there's a concept of the sabbatical, which is Shabbat LaHashem, is like Shabbos, the 7th year, the 7th day, and definitely the main idea of it is to show that the land belongs to God, yeah? Faith that the land belongs to God, right? This is why on the 7th year we don't sow, as you think later on, we don't work on the fields, with plants and so on, or planting and so on, because showing this is a clear proof that the land was created by God, and Sabbath is a day to God, should be for God, yeah? This is the 7th day. This was the connection between the Shabbos of the year and Shabbos of the day. What we are now Shabbos, yeah? Because this is the main idea, faith of God. So amazingly, phenomena that it comes exactly, best meeting of Shabbat will save us at Israel, comes here exactly to do with the Emunah, the faith of God, which is the basis of Shabbos, and in the merit of Shabbos, many places in the Zohar and so on, the Shabbos will keep us and kept us, and this is amazing. Is a very famous non-religious leader of the Zionists, Echad Ha'am, yeah. He clearly said at that time that even Tel Aviv should keep the Shabbos, because more than Jews kept the Shabbos kept them, right? We understand, because on Shabbos all the family together, then go out, and then definitely the connection with the family becomes stronger. You can see today also that unfortunately that people who don't keep the Shabbos, so always a connection with the children. Some go to Thailand, some to those, and whatever it is, definitely the family is not connected, and difficult to keep, the continuation of family with no Shabbos. You can see what happened to Reform and so on. If you take the third generation of Reform, we don't keep Shabbos, you will not find any Jewish signs there. So, what more we have? What is interesting, you have, by the way, very important sentence, which says, keep the law, yeah, and keeping the law, key, then, in this merit, God will bring you, כי יביאך השם אל ארץ הכנעני, to the land, אשר נשבע, that God swore to your father to give you, and your descendants. Definitely goes together. So interesting. Table for Shabbos. In few hours in New York, we are entering Shabbos. So it's worthwhile and important to know that Shabbos, keeping Shabbos, really, will save them for all our enemies, yeah. And, by the way, it is so unfortunate that the great Kabbalist, the great Kabbalist, Habakkuk said, look, in the army, try to keep Shabbos as you can, definitely when you have to go out and you have to attack because of certain things, but if there are things which are not necessary, don't desecrate the Shabbos, because this can bring more Jewish soldiers killed. This is what he said, the Kabbalist, Martin. Apparently, the Israeli government and whoever it is thinks that they know better than the Torah. See what is happening. So really, he said clearly, definitely you must, if the enemy comes to attack you, whatever it is, definitely on Shabbos you have to do it. Yeah, pikuach nefesh doche Shabbat. Yeah, but unfortunately, to smoke cigarette on Shabbos, to do other things, not so important. So this is what he said, but to such things, somehow, what the Torah says, people don't think. And also, when you have here, when the Torah clearly that Shabbos, the Sabbath, only the Sabbath, Shabbos Hashem will save Israel, will bring it to the land, settling in the land. What today is coming to the land today, when hardly can see there, every night you have to run away because of the red. This is not kind of settling in the land, yeah. So let us hope that the time will come, the Jews will realize that only keeping the Shabbos, keeping the Torah, will give them really safe life. Okay, this is what I found, because it is interesting that clearly speak about the importance of Shabbos, that he will save the Jewish people, and it fits with this, what Zionist, very famous Zionist leader, not religious at all, but the common sense, show that keeping Shabbos, the families together, and so on, will keep the continuation. Otherwise, no Shabbos, no. As I said, look what's happened to people who don't keep Shabbos with their children. Right? So, interesting and important, significant table for the Shabbos, which comes in few hours.